Measuring the depth of a drill hole might seem like a trivial task, but in reality it can be both extremely important and quite challenging to do, unless of course you have the right equipment, which is what I'll show you today. The use case is quite common. For example, in the furniture or automotive industry, you drill a lot of tiny holes, and measuring the depth can be crucial for both functionality on the assembly line and in the hands of the end customer. Measuring the depth is usually done using laser triangulation, where you have a laser line or point projected onto a surface and reflected back to a sensor. By knowing the angle between the source and the sensor, you know the 3D point. The problem is that this angle needs to be a certain number of degrees, which is an issue if you have a very narrow drill hole, for example. In this case, you wouldn't be able to find the 3D point because the sensor actually projects onto the surface, and the other sensor can't even see it. This is where you need a different type of sensor, one that can actually measure directly into the hole vertically. Enter the confocal chromatic sensor. This sensor works kind of differently compared to the laser scanner. It works by shining white light through a number of different lenses, dispersing the light into the different colors of the rainbow. The trick here is that each color is focused at a different distance. This sensor then also includes a spectrometer that is able to capture all the different colors simultaneously. This means in the simple scenario we have here, we will actually get a peak with the red color. This system would already be pre-calibrated for this specific sensor, so meaning that the blue color might be 5 millimeters, the green color might be 10 millimeters, and the red color might mean 15 millimeters. Since the one with the highest peak or the highest intensity will be the red, we know that the distance in the hole will in this case be 15 millimeters. As you can see, this is a bit of a wonder tool. It's capable of measuring up to 70,000 measurements per second and has a depth resolution in the nanometer range. Since it's measuring all colors simultaneously, it can actually measure the distance between panes of glass layered together. The only downside of this tool is the price. It's around 15,000 euros, but for a challenging task like drill hole inspection, it actually gets the job done.